A slow-draining sink can turn a simple setup into a messy headache. Picking the right pump can help keep water moving without taking up too much space. In this video, I'm covering the best under-sink drain pumps. These picks come in different price ranges, and each one may suit a different setup, so it's worth watching the full video to find the right fit for your needs. I've placed links to every product in the description. Feel free to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Share any questions in the comments below. Let's start with the first review. Number 6. Achrilo 450 watts. For number 6, this pick brings capable drainage in a compact body. Its budget pricing makes it a choice for a laundry room, basement sink, or gray water setup where cost matters. A 450-watt motor can lift water up to 23 feet and send it as far as 230 feet. The automatic switch starts the pump once water reaches the set level, so you do not need to turn it on by hand. 3 inlets let you connect a sink, washing machine, dishwasher, or another drain source, then route everything through one outlet. Noise stays below 45 decibels, which should keep laundry or utility areas more comfortable. The seller describes it as a sealed, ventless system, although local plumbing codes may still require ventilation. Measuring about 11.8 by 7.1 by 6.5 inches, it has a compact footprint that can suit many under-sink or utility room installations. One limit needs to be clear. This pump is for gray water, not toilet waste. The plastic body may feel less sturdy than metal models. I'd point this one to shoppers seeking quiet automatic drainage without paying for a premium unit. Number 5. FavorCool FCSP250. Coming in at number 5, this compact pump focuses on flexible connections and hot water handling. It stays in the budget range, making it appealing for basement upgrades, wet bars, laundry areas, or sinks that need a lower drain point. The 250-watt motor moves up to 100 liters per minute. It can lift water close to 23 feet vertically or send it about 229 feet across a horizontal run. 3 1.5-inch inlets let you connect several fixtures, and the automatic float switch starts at about 2 3/4 inches of water, then stops near 1 1/5 inches. One feature that stands out to me is the oil-filled copper motor. According to the manufacturer, the oil-filled motor handles continuous water temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent temperatures up to 212 degrees for as long as 4 hours. The IPX7 rated design protects the electrical components, and a replaceable activated carbon module helps control odors. Its narrow body works well in shallow cabinets, and buyers often praise the easy setup. Noise feedback is mixed, so placement may affect how noticeable it sounds. A 1-year warranty and around-the-clock support add peace of mind. This is a pick for hot drains and multi-fixture setups where space and cost both matter. Number 4. Red Lion SPS33. At number 4, this setup takes a different path by pairing the pump with a 6-gallon basin. Its lower mid-range pricing makes sense for larger utility sinks, laundry tubs, or bar sinks where a small inline unit may feel too limited. The 1/3 horsepower motor can move up to 3,200 gallons per hour with no lift, and it can push water as high as 25 feet. At a 10-foot lift, it still moves about 2,366 gallons per hour. A vertical float switch handles automatic starts and stops, and the included check valve helps stop backflow after each cycle. I think the pre-assembled design is one of its biggest strengths. You get the basin, pump, switch, discharge pipe, and check valves in one package, which can make setup more direct. The epoxy-coated aluminum housing, double seals, and structural foam tank should suit regular household use. There are 2 limits to keep in mind. The system needs an open-air vent, so installation may take more planning than sealed models. It is made for water and mild soaps, not harsh chemicals or very hot water. For laundry rooms and utility areas, this is a strong choice for higher flow and dependable automatic drainage. Number 3. Zoeller 105001. Number 3 brings a heavier, more traditional setup for spaces where gravity drainage is not an option. It lands in the mid-range price tier, and I see it making the most sense for basement laundry sinks, wet bars, garages, or utility rooms. The 3/10 horsepower motor moves up to 43 gallons per minute. Its vortex impeller can pass debris up to 1/2 inch, so lint and small food particles are less likely to cause trouble. That gives it an edge in laundry or kitchen areas where cleaner water is not always guaranteed. Construction is another strong point. The cast iron pump body adds weight, yet it should handle regular use better than many lighter plastic units. A compact basin, built-in check valve, 9-foot cord, and 1.5-inch fittings are already part of the kit. The whole package arrives factory tested, which adds some confidence before installation. Setup still calls for extra piping, venting, and basic plumbing skill, so this is not the simplest plug-in choice. Some buyers have reported early failures, though most feedback praises quiet operation and dependable flow. For shoppers who care about debris handling and a sturdy pump body, this earns its place near the top of the list. Number 2. Liberty Pumps 404. Number 2 is built for tight cabinets where height can be the biggest problem. Its mid-range price puts it above the cheapest picks, yet the short profile and service-friendly layout give you more than a basic drain pump. At 11 inches tall, the housing can fit beneath many utility sinks, laundry tubs, and basement counters. The 1/3 horsepower motor moves up to 39 gallons per minute and can lift water as high as 20 feet. At 10 feet of lift, it still delivers about 28 gallons per minute, which should cover many home setups. What stands out to me is the separate float switch and quick access cover. You can inspect or replace the switch without taking apart the whole unit, and the pump arrives factory assembled for a simpler retrofit. 1.5-inch connections, a 10-foot cord, and handling for debris up to 3/8 of an inch add useful flexibility. A check valve must be added to the discharge line, and the motor needs a dedicated 15-amp circuit. The plastic impeller may concern buyers who prefer metal parts, and a few owners mention early failures. Still, quiet operation, easy servicing, and compact size make this a smart step up for a busy laundry or utility sink. Number 1. SFA SaniFlow Sanivite. Taking the number 1 spot, this model aims at buyers who want a quieter, more refined setup for sinks, laundry, or kitchen remodels. Its premium pricing reflects the wider range of uses, longer warranty, and stronger support behind it. The 0.4 horsepower motor moves up to 29 gallons per minute. It can lift water 16 feet vertically or send it up to 150 feet across a horizontal run with the right slope. Automatic start and stop control comes from a built-in pressure chamber and micro switch, so each cycle begins as water reaches the operating level. One detail I appreciate is its ability to handle hot water and greasy discharge from dishwashers, washing machines, and kitchen sinks. A non-return valve helps block backflow, and noise stays near 44 decibels. Short cycles, often lasting just a few seconds, can keep energy use low and sound brief. Installation still needs a proper two-way vent, careful pipe leveling, and the right adhesive. Caustic drain cleaners can damage the softer internal parts, so maintenance requires gentler products. With quiet performance, flexible discharge options, and a 4-year warranty, this is best for buyers ready to pay more for a cleaner, more polished setup. That completes our list of the best under-sink drain pumps. Before you go, check out the other videos on the channel for more product picks. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.